Hello friends, today I'm going to pack a big fake order to my subscribers. She ordered 10 squishy 7 apps in photo. So I pick up one by one. First Kuromi. This is Black Labubu and next Hello Kitty. Then I pick some small squishy one by one. These squishy are so cute, I like very much. I did now close drawer, then these are another small size squishy. These look like good. I make them all with paper and sponge. Squishy making tutorial video I made for you. You can watch them. Easy squishy making DIY, so easy one can do it. It's looking difficult but not. Now squishy order is completed. Next she orders 7 washi tapes. So I pick into attempt first for washi tapes and then 3. Now last she ordered 3 photos. So pick Kuromi photos and Hello Kitty photo. Now all things of order complete. Let's go to pack one by one for squishy. Friends, I hope you like it. I put them according to size. This is so big size order I do first time. This time order box got full. I think this is full box squishy order. I love very much doing this fake order. And I enjoy it very much. I think you also enjoy it because you have to not pay for this much. Now squishy packing is completed. This is last one. Next I have 7 washi tapes, I put them together. The next photo cards and cute stickers. I give him a free small pen. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe video.